Okay, we got a Aria Deluxe 2-queen room. This is 30127. Come on in. Okay, right away, just want to let you know this is a standard room at Aria. And the standard rooms here are very nice. We did get the 30th floor. We're pretty much halfway up. We got a freeway view. They call it the mountain view, our city center. You can see Vidara in the distance, Vidara pool. So Bellagio over there. In the distance, we have palms. Those are condos. And southeastern or southwestern Vegas. Okay, by the window, a nice little lounge chair with a table. Got your bar set up. Mini fridge, fully stocked. Nice expensive drinks and snacks. But if you need it, you need it, right? Nice flat screen. This one does come with a media hub. So if you have like a game console, or this is a great place to plug in your laptop and work. But for game consoles, you can plug in here. They do have HDMI, USBs, and they even have the red, white, and yellow, so you can bring an older system in if you have that. All right, some shelves down there. There's extra plugins on the end of the desk here too. Here's your 2-queen bed set up. One nightstand in the center. These switches here might not work. Let's see. So if you hit good night, closes the drapes for you. It's a nice feature. But for right now, we're gonna keep them open. Push that again. Actually, this tablet here will control that as well. You hit room controls, drapes. Let's go to open and open, sheer and blackout. That's pretty cool. This does come out. You can order room service here, housekeeping. It controls the lights in the bathroom and actually all throughout the room. But you can do anything and everything you need on this for the property. You can book salon and spa reservations, dining reservations. You can get to guest services. You can order a cabana on here if you need it at the pool. Pretty cool. Do it all from there. There's your safe for the room. And we'll go check out the bathroom area. Got a full-size mirror. And more buttons to control the blinds, drapes. And a nice closet, nice large closet. I'm assuming there's enough room in here for 2 people easily. Another place to put stuff. Big drawers. We don't need to go through all of them. All right, and the bathroom's cool. It's got this nice sliding, it's not a pocket door, it's like a barn style door. So it slides open and closed. Slide it up in here. Dual sink, and the vanity. Shelving down there for your towels. Hair dryer. And behind you got a walk-in shower and tub. The tub is inside the shower, which is kind of weird, but kind of cool at the same time. And there's your standing shower. It's a big shower. Comes with a seat. You need to sit down and take a shower. And last but not least, behind the frosty glass is the toilet. There you go. All right, so once again, this is Aria Deluxe 2-queen room. We are seeking paradise together. We hope that this room tour does help you out in your decision to stay at Aria. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.